So the end goal is to sell our course, right? And what happens through these challenges is every day we teach people something. So we bring people for free in the challenge. We say there is a 4-day, 5-day challenge which is happening on a particular topic. So if you want to learn about this topic, join me and I will teach you. So in these 4 days, every day, the presenter, he comes live or sometimes recorded also, and they teach one concept. The end goal is to sell our course and make money, right? The reason the challenges works really well is because when we directly try to sell courses, people don't know you, people don't know you're the authority, people don't know your teaching style, people don't have confidence in themselves that they can do that thing, etc., etc. But when you take them through a 5-day journey and you are teaching them something every day, building their confidence, breaking their myths, then by the end of 4 or 5 days, they are more likely to join your course because now all of their objections have been handled. And they also come to know that you are a good teacher, you are a genuine person who is teaching them, you have good knowledge, you have good skills. This is the whole concept. Now, what happens in these kind of challenges is, plus you can do it with anything. It doesn't have to be just WhatsApp. You can do it on WhatsApp. You can just release videos, one video at a time. This is a very famous formula by Jeff Walker. You can do email course also, same concept. Or you can do Facebook group challenge also, same concept. So everyone has a different version of the same thing. The underlying concept of this thing is, in these 4 to 5 days when you're together with your audience, your goal is not to teach them how to do something, right? Your goal is, sorry, your goal is, yeah, your goal is not to teach them how to do it. Your goal is just to tell them what to do. Okay. So what happens is, let's take an example of online course. So first thing I will do is, I will create a list of all the objections and frustrations people have about launching an online course. Okay. So maybe people think they are not an expert. Maybe people think no one is going to buy from me. Maybe people think I don't have degrees, credentials, testimonials. So first I will list down all the objections, frustrations they have. I'm not sure what my niche is, what topic to choose, right? If I ask people what are your biggest frustration about this thing, they will list down these things. So for your niche also, you can list down 4 to 5 topics which people are really frustrated about, have really doubts about. So then what we do is, in these 5 days, we just break their myths. We just clear their objections and give them a small win every single day, right? So if I want to sell a course on, let's say my course, how to sell an online course. So day 1, I will talk about, you don't need to be an expert to launch an online course. I will break this first myth on day 1. On day 2, I will talk about how to find your niche. Okay. So on day 2, I will teach them how to find their niche. I'm not teaching the entire course thing here. I'm just stretching the gap. Okay. The gap between where they are right now and where they want to go. Our job in these 5 days is just stretch the gap and make them ready, clear all of their objections till the time they reach here. So on third day, I will create a small tutorial on why you don't need degrees, or how to get your first 2 testimonials in next 24 hours. Okay, giving them a small win. Next, how to price your course, right? So when I work with people for 4 to 5 days, and on every day, I am breaking one myth or clearing one objection and giving them a small win, by the time they reach here, all of their doubts are clear, all of their objections are clear. The reason people don't buy courses is because they have a lot of internal doubts, they have a lot of internal conflicts, and they feel like I cannot do this. Most of the times there are external objections, there are internal objections. I won't go into external objections right now. Let's talk about internal objections. So most of the time people don't buy because they have a lot of internal objection. He's selling a lot of courses because he has experience. He's selling a lot of courses because he's an expert. I am no one, why will anyone buy from me? So if in the last 4 days you give them this confidence that I can also do this, I can also sell my course. Earlier I was not confident whether I can do it or not, but in these 4 days I'm now confident. In these 4 days I have found my niche. In these 4 days I know how much I want to price my course for. So by the time you reach here, they will be like, I'm ready, all of my doubts are clear, I know my niche, I know my price, all I want to do is tell me how to market it, tell me how to put out in this world. So preparing them every day. So just like what we do in webinars, we break 3 myths, right? So we are breaking 5 myths in the 5-day course and giving them a small win every single day. It doesn't have to a huge win. You don't have to teach them how to do a webinar. Maybe you just teach them how to find your webinar title and your 3 objections. Even that is a small win. So when all of their objections are broken, and when all of and they have got a small win every single day, they've got a momentum. When they reach here, they are ready, and now they love you, they trust you, and they know that you can help them. So when you pitch a course and if it is a right price for them, they buy. It's a really powerful model again. So the concept remains the same. So it's not like you have to hold them back, but you don't have to teach them everything also. Just teach them enough to break their myths and give them a small win. So yes, in your case, maybe you can teach them how e-commerce business model works, and how easy it is to set up a store, how to find a winning product in next 10 minutes, and something like that. So if they have to implement all of it, they have to join a course. So this is how it works, and you can repeat it with anything. You can do it on WhatsApp. You can record 5 videos, share with your audience. You can send 5 emails, or you can do a Facebook group challenge, which a lot of people are doing in the US. So that's how the challenge thing works. Any doubts? Yes.